Hello, welcome students to techniyojan channel. Today we'll see the Python program to check whether an user entered input number is an even or odd. Okay, even number or odd number it is. We have to check this. So first of all, for that we will go to the new file, and the second step is first we have to save it. Okay, even odd number dot py, right? So over here you can say select all files and you will do save as and see to it that whether even odd number dot py it is come or not. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will start the coding. So for that we have to take a number variable, and to that you can say we have to take an input because we have to check the number user entry number, you can say. So input over here, so we'll say enter the number to check for even odd, right? So it is a user generate a message, you can say. You can write as per your wish, okay, as what you like to write. You can write within this double quotes, okay, as for example you can say enter the number to check for even number or odd number, like this. Okay, now the main thing, we'll check with if statement that whether this num that we have taken is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is you can say 0 or what, like that. So for that we will take the modulo operator. Okay, over here the modulo operator 2. Okay, that means now this statement states that the number that is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, like this. Okay, so now what we'll do is you can say the number entered is even, because if it is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then you can say it is an even number. So entered number is an even number. The message will put like this. Now you can say the else part. Okay, else you can say print the particular entered number. So we have taken num comma entered number is an odd number, like this, right? Okay, so see students, we have done completed over here. Only one line, you can say code it is, logically it is of one line, and you can say statement wide is it 3 to 4 lines, and simple program it is. Num, we have taken a variable num, inside that we are inputting the user number, user entry number, then we are checking the condition. Okay, so now what we will do is first of all we will press Ctrl S, we will save and then we'll run. So let's check what the output comes. Okay, see over here, now it asks for enter the number to check for even or odd. So first of all we will take 13. So see, the output came as 13 entered number. 13 entered number is an odd number. Okay, so now for once again we will run the code and we will check for 36. See, 36 is an even number because it completely divisible by 2 and the remainder comes at 0. Okay, over here the remainder comes 1, you can say, okay, of this 13 number. So it is an odd number and this is even number. So lastly we will check for one more number, you can say 99. So 99 is also an odd number, right students? So this was the tutorial, for a simple tutorial, a short video you can say, for checking of you can say number for even or odd in Python using Visual Studio Code Editor, right? So hope so you understood this. So I will request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can get the notification of the recent uploaded videos in my channel techniyojan, and definitely like the video if you like it, and obviously please I request you to share with your friend students so that they can make help from this. Okay, till then, thank you, have a good day.